This is how you make Char Kuay Teow. So good. Hey there, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make Char Kuay Teow. Char Kuay Teow is a very famous dish in Malaysia and Singapore. It's a smoky and flavorful stir-fry flat noodles dish. Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to make the perfect Char Kuay Teow. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go. So what I have here is some ho fun. We're going to microwave this for about 2 minutes. Whilst the ho fun's microwaving, we're going to prep some ingredients. There's some Beansprouts, some chives. You can get these from Chinese supermarkets. If you can't get your hand on chives, you can use spring onions instead. Look at these chives. Very good, very fresh. They go very well with eggs. We're only going to use about this much. Give it a wash, halve it, and then slice it into about 2 centimeters long. There you go. Put it together with your Beansprouts, and that's all the vegetables you need for Char Kuay Teow. Let's prep the meat. 2 prawns, some fish cakes, and I've got some Cheung. This is Chinese sausage. Let's use about 2. If you don't like Cheung, you can use chicken instead, or any other meats that you prefer. Slice it into thin pieces. And that's your ingredients for the meat, and also 1 egg. These are some of the condiments you'll need for this dish. Now, we have some Sambal Sauce. This will really enhance the flavor of your Char Kuay Teow. Some white pepper, some squish sauce to put in the end, some chicken powder, some soy sauce, and some lard. This is pork fat. You can buy these from supermarkets, and they come in a block. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients. We are ready to start cooking. Wok on. Oil. We're going to fry the meat. Prawns. And the rest. Fry for about 10 seconds, drain it. Put it aside. In the wok, lard. Heat it slowly. Egg. Some more oil. Ho fun. Fry.
As soon as the ho fun goes in, start tossing it quickly and make sure your wok is on maximum heat.
Heat up your wok. Get it really smoky and hot. Now that the wok is hot, add some dark soy sauce.
As soon as you add the dark soy sauce, you need to fry quickly. This is to ensure the soy sauce coats the ho fun.
Now we add the seasoning. Chicken powder, MSG, some sugar, oyster sauce, about half a teaspoon. Add your sambal sauce, white pepper, back on high heat. Add your vegetables. Fry.
Fry on maximum heat, mixing everything together. The Beansprouts and chives will cook very quickly on the high heat.
Bit more dark soy sauce. Yeah. Get that wok, eh? Bit of water.
Adding some water to your Char Kuay Teow will soften it up and provide a softer texture.
Ingredients back in. Add your squish sauce, about half a teaspoon. High heat.
As we approach the final minute, fry everything together on high heat, mixing everything thoroughly so that all the flavors release.
And soy sauce. Finish. And now we serve. Very nice, delicious. The flavors work so well together. The sambal sauce, give it a nice spicy kick. Chinese sausage. The sweet saltiness from the Cheung brings out the flavor of the ho fun. So there you have it guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'll catch you next time. Bye.